Yujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, I'm actually going to be dialing in the tune on my single turbo 335. So basically guys, I've been on 24 PSI trying to up the boost, but when I upped the boost to 27 PSI, it started breaking up in third gear a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the spark plugs, put some fresh ones in there, and I also got a bad batch of E, so I'm going to put a fresh tank of E in there. And I also got another port injection map that I'm going to flash on there. And hopefully that fixes the misfire. I'm going to take it out on the roads and go for some logs for you guys and see how it's pulling when we change the plugs, flash it with the port injection, and put a fresh tank of E in there.
Yujo's forcing me to gap his spark plugs.
Nobody's forcing you to gap.
I'm here against my will.
So on a serious note, guys, we're actually, as you see, I picked up some NGK two-step coulter plugs.
For the third time.
No, it's
Under 2,000 kilometers.
second time. Steps for a year and a half. No, I didn't buy them again. I bought them for a year and a half, and now I'm on my...
No, you bought them again.
I think it's time because it is breaking up a little bit, so I think this will clean up the pulls a little bit. They won't break up as much up top, so... Erwin doesn't think so, I think so, but... If you guys want to pick them up yourself, just tell your local... whatever auto spot you got, it's a NGK 97506 and they'll have it. Don't tell them it's 335 because I think these are M3 plugs. So we're about to put the last one in right here. So as you can see, this is the brand new spark plug, and honestly my plugs they were honestly fine. I don't think I really had to change them. The only one that really stuck out was this one. It was just really gunked up, had a lot of garbage on it, but you guys can see the difference between the old one and then the new one I'm putting in right now. Now as you see, I'm flashing the port injection split second controller with the new map, probably the last map for the port injection. So as you guys saw, we picked up some E98 racing ethanol. Let me give you guys a little rundown. So as I was saying in the beginning, like, we don't have any E85 pumps here in Canada, so what we do is we actually buy E98 barrels and we mix it in with our pump gas, and it actually makes a blend of E85. So it's pure E85, not like when you go to gas stations where it varies. It could be anything from E60 to E85. We know exactly that we're running pure E85.
Yo, we gotta get an electric one. Oh my god.
How long do you think it takes to just do like 25 liters?
It takes at least 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah. So about a half a tank,
Each
guys.
pump of this is 500 milliliters. So every 2 pumps is a liter. 50 pumps to fill this up, and you can see at the rate I'm going, okay, probably 10 minutes. I'm doing it at a decent rate, but if you go too fast, it doesn't pull all 500 milliliters. Oh!
We just came to fill up, and I'm really hoping that with the new spark plugs that I'll be able to fix the misfire, because I was actually running on 24 pounds on the... I'm hoping that when I up the boost back up to 27, I was actually even trying to hit 30 pounds, the misfire will go away. So
yeah, so out here we just hope that misfires go away.
well, I changed the spark plugs so that the misfire would go away. That's not really hoping. That's doing some maintenance. And yo, I remember last time I changed the spark plugs was a little bit pointless because I was misfiring. So I changed the spark plugs because I was misfiring, and it wasn't the spark plugs. It actually ended up being the injector. So that's why it was kind of a waste of getting spark plugs. But now I actually needed them.
No, you don't, because you're on brand new spark plugs.
Because we just changed them.
Whatever.
All right.
We got spark plugs then.
I just filled up 4 liters about, and now I'm about to put in this jug, 21 liters of the E98. Alright guys, so basically, as I was saying earlier, when I was on 24 pounds, I wasn't misfiring.
And then when I would up it to like 27 pounds, I started to notice that I would misfire in third gear. So basically what I did, you guys saw, I changed the spark plug. So we also got a fresh batch of E85 in there, so hopefully it runs a little bit better. Because maybe it was a combination of the plugs, you know what I mean, the plugs and the bad batch of E, because it was old. So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, we're warmed up. I'm gonna drop it down to third. Let's get a little bit of brake loose.
Bro, your clutch grabs so hard.
spark plugs and some better fuel to make it feel like this fast. Like it feels really good. It's running really well. I want to see if I can, like, I'm gonna look at the logs to talk to my tuner and see if it's healthy enough to up the boost to 30 pounds, because I really want to up it to 30 and see what it's actually gonna make on the dyno. But if it's not safe, it's not healthy, I think I'm just gonna keep it at 27. So I mean 27 hauls. Like I'm 3 psi can only make like what, like another 30 horsepower, but we'll see how it goes. We'll check the logs, and if it's healthy enough, we'll turn it up. So it's been Dujo, guys. Catch you guys later.